probably where I can start, and then when I get more beads, then I'll continue with the videos.
Okay, so for the sides of the bag, you actually want to skip 1, 2, then you make a node, then you skip 1, 2, 3, make a node, and then it's gonna be left with 2 more rows. I'm gonna leave this row as well, so I'm gonna count 1, 1, 2, and we're gonna make a ring. So if I flip this like so, it's gonna end on this. So I need to have another ring here, but because I already have this, I'm just gonna put 1 bead here and 1 bead here as well. And then I'm gonna go through this. And then go through it another end again. If I can actually do so. Yep. I'm gonna try and push this through to tighten it. So we're going to repeat the same thing. First start with 3. So 1 here, 2 here. Go through it. 1 here, and an extra 1 here. You go through 1, you want to tighten it, and then this time we're only doing 2 because you already have this. So 1 here, 1 here. We're going to take this through this, and then we take this through this. And that's the down part. I'm gonna skip 1, 2 rows, and I'm gonna skip from here. I'm gonna skip 1, 2, 3. So here. Guys, so this is day 2. I've done all of the nodes. I've actually done 1 handle, so I'm gonna show you guys how to attach the handle, and then that'll be all. So when I finished this line, this is where the thread ended, and that was exactly where I needed it actually, so I didn't go ahead and reinforce the back. So if your thread, you know, was probably too short or something, and you already like put it through the beads to reinforce it, all you have to do is to pull a new thread. So if this is where the node is, you want to skip where the node is and come here. Then you want to make a ring here, another one here, and another one here. So you're going to make 3 rings. So okay, so we have 3 rings now. You're going to put 1 bead and then pick this one here. So we're creating like a box but then in the shape of like a ring. So, and then we're going to take another one for the top. So you guys see this creates like another ring. So now we're just gonna keep making rings and going all the way up. So So when you get to the final one, because you already have 1, 2, 3, you have to take this thread and then go through this and go through this as well. Then you're gonna end it with just one bead. Then you can start the process all over again. So for the handle you actually need 30 rows, but then because you're gonna end the final one here, all you have to do is 29. So I've done 1, 2, so that means I need to do 27 more, and then I'll come and end it and show you guys. Hi guys, so it's morning and this is actually day 3. Actually I finished the handle yesterday, but I wanted to show you guys how to attach it today. So I have 29 rows now, so this is going to be my 30th. So conveniently I would need my thread to be here so that I could just sorry, attach this to this, but then it ended up being at the back, so I'm still just gonna make my ring, my first ring. So I have the first ring ready, and it's gonna be somewhere like this. So I'm going to take the end of the thread and I'll put it through this one. And then that gives us 1, 2, 3. So I'm gonna put only one bead through. Now you guys can see it's getting attached. So I have 1, 2, 3. So I'm gonna push this thread through this, push this thread through this, and then I'm gonna do just one bead. So now I have to join this to this and then join some of the beads here. So I'm going to take the thread. So this is 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to take the thread through the third row. And then let's turn this. You guys see, so when you're watching this on its own, it's gonna get a bit confusing, but when you're making it and you're watching it, like, it kind of makes sense. So now I have 1, 2, 3, and then 4. So I'm gonna take the thread through this, and then I'll take this thread through this. So I do want to lock it, so I'm gonna take the other thread as well, and then I'll push it through. So that is how you attach the handle. So now I'm gonna take the thread through several beads so that it can like make it stronger. So we're finally done with the bag. I just wanted to say, so if you're trying to do the notes for the front of the bag, you want to skip 3 rows from down, and then you start making your notes on this row. Then you skip 1, 2, 3, you make your notes 1, 2, 3, you make your notes again. So for the front of the bag, instead of leaving 2 rows as we did for the side, you just want to leave 1 row. You do a note, you count 1, 2, 3, do another 1, 2, 3, do another 1, 2, 3, do another, and you'll be left with 1. So I'm gonna leave a link to pictures that are like very visible that I got from Pinterest, that that will make it easier for you to count, so that you guys can if you're trying to do this, you can replicate it. So if you notice, the actual shrimps bag is really like super boxy and super steady and super firm. So I actually like went on the sites, I did some research on Google and stuff like, and I realized they use jacquard lining. So jacquard lining is what people actually use for curtains and stuff like that, and you guys know it's more of like a thicker and a denser material. So yeah, if you want the whole boxy look, you just get maybe an old curtain that's like steady and firm, and then cut it and you're gonna sew it. I'm not gonna do that in this video because like I feel like the video is already getting too long, and I don't even have any excess, you know, curtain that I can use for that. So but I just wanted to say, let me know. I still have like more beads left, so you guys should let me know if you'd actually want partitioned videos where maybe I just do the handle, or I just do how I attach the notes, or I just do the base and then do the lining and all those things. So let me know if you guys would actually want that, and I'll do that as well. So anyways, this is the end of the video. This is my new bag. I'm so happy. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you liked and you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, because I do post like fashion videos and decor videos on my channel. So yeah, if you liked seeing this, don't forget to, you know, subscribe and hit the notification bell, and I'll see you guys next week. So bye.